Hi, I'm Julie Jarmolowski with the K Grant Group. We're here today in Chandler in the Valencia Estates, and I can't wait for you to see this gorgeous home. We're starting out in the loft, a little different for us, but take a look around here. This loft would be perfect for a educational room for the kids, a she cave, he cave. It could even be utilized as another bedroom. Check out the storage here. I don't even have a closet like this. I'm going to take you on down the stairs, but as I do, check out some of the other appointments of this loft. Another storage area. The landing here could be another study nook kind of place. And then we go down these beautiful stairs to this gorgeous front door, and we'll take a look at the house. Check out the vaulted ceilings here. Of course they're vaulted, right? We just came from the upstairs area. On the right here, you have access to the garage and your laundry area. On the left, we have 2 bedrooms with ensuite baths and a half bath. Check out this bedroom here, guest bedroom. And the guest bedrooms, both these guest bedrooms on this side of the house are separated from the master. And then in here we have a great little guest bedroom as well with its own ensuite. Nice walk-in closet. And now we're going to go into the main living area. I'd like for you to check out the lighting, the vaulted ceilings. Look how gorgeous this is. It makes this house seem so big. And this entertaining kitchen area that blends so beautifully into this family living area here. Look how big this is. And you see we have the dining table over here. Everything just fits so perfectly together. I want you to see how gorgeous this is. I don't know if I have the muscles for it, but let's see. This entire wall blends back into, goes all the way back. So even though I'm not going to push it all the way back that far, you can get rid of this entire wall of windows. And then look what you've got. Is this not absolutely stunning? You have several seating areas back here. You've got a fire pit, a beautiful clay pool with spa. You've got a dining area with barbecue. And again, take a look from here. Come on over here and take a look right here at how well this house flows into the backyard. Are you ready to see the master suite? Let's go check it out. This outrageously roomy master suite is just perfect. Don't you think? You can fit everything in here, maybe even a little chair. But take a look at this bathroom. Maybe one of my all-time favorite bathrooms. You got double sinks. Love, love, love this tub. You got a walk-in shower, a gorgeous walk-in closet. As you can well imagine, this house will not be on the market long. Give us a call and schedule a time to see it as soon as possible.